Hi, welcome to Boilers2Go. Today, we're covering the top 5 conventional boilers to keep your British home warm and efficient. First is the Worcester-Bosch Green Star Re. It's a reliability leader, compact enough for a standard cupboard and perfect for smaller UK homes. Next, the Viessmann Vitodens 100-W. With its stainless steel heat exchanger, it's incredibly quiet, smart ready and built to last. Number 3 is the Vaillant EcoTech Plus. It offers great flexibility for larger homes and is designed for seamless UK installations. In fourth is the Ideal Logic Max Heat. It features an impressive warranty and built-in protection, making it a dependable, easy-to-service choice. Finally, the Baxi 800 Heat. This UK-made boiler is lightweight and comes with a 10-year warranty as standard for total peace of mind. For more expert heating advice, make sure to subscribe to Boilers2Go. Thanks for watching.